I'm Mukul Suresh, the Chief Executive Officer for Connect, and I'm here with the rest of the team to tell you all about Connect, our app to help university students cope with mental illness. Only recently have inquiries been made to regard the state of mental health and well-being among university students, which is critical as compared to other age brackets. Those in younger ages were found to be less inclined to discuss their issues and seek help from mental health services or facilities. Although this has led to the explosion of smartphone health and apps tracking, mental health and well-being, how good are they? Are they really what you want and what you're looking for? With Connect, we aim to provide the most convenient and user-friendly app to help students maintain their health and well-being, especially on stress management. The color the app surface is chosen is used to provide a relaxing feel to users every time they enter the app. With the personalized account, students can track and save their own record, with another advantage of increasing level of privacy. The homepage of the app provides simplicity and a modern design to provide different functional options. Symptoms and concerns also can be entered through the app by means of crowdsourcing. So that will help us let users enter their own symptoms and mental illnesses and track the sources of stress. The information systems will aid in this stage by processing those raw data into groups. After the processing, the database will show relevant diagnoses, as these are automatically generated by pre-entered professional advice or by students who have past experiences. So Connect provides interactive features. Message functions allows users to interact with each other, get to know each other, including students, professionals, the actual providers of the service. It also allows us to connect with customer representatives for any inquiries they might have on the app. The challenge board is another unique feature that Connect delivers to the user. It enables users to link the community through different activities while using other existing devices. After recommending solutions and involving different activities, users can enter their outcome and experience and share it with others. The app also allows users to monitor and evaluate themselves throughout the process through monitoring and continuous tracking. The app consists of a few main components: data collection and stress source analysis, recommendations and connections to professional support networks. The app will first collect data related to the signs and sources of stress the user is experiencing. So what they do is the students can fill in regular questionnaires and inputs, and also use smart health devices which are used to track their physical data for more accurate data collection and analysis, which can also act as a reference for students to track their progress, which they can use to reduce their stress levels or share with others. The program will then provide stress reduction recommendations based on the data they give us. So the app collects the data, analyzes the main reasons behind the specific signs of stress exhibited by the users, and those recommendations are given generally by professionals from our partners, Beyond Blue. The recommendations will be given a helpfulness rating. So for crowdsourcing, the students who have similar conditions can rate the actual helpfulness of the recommendation, which improves the effectiveness and efficiency of those suggestions. Support services through text messaging platforms within the app are also available for any students seeking further help from professionals, as we try to reach and help every single student we will be working for. With Connect, students will be able to improve their life quality from solving their internal problems just with a touch. One of the main aims of the app is creating value for students suffering mental imbalance from university, because the service is free and convenient. Our main targets are students in UNSW struggling with mental issues and those who are helping and willing to help others suffering from stress. So in developing our application, the business has accounted for the expansion and increasing significance of personal mobile devices to university students. The first value proposition is that our app motivates customers to express their concerns regarding personal issues and experiences with mental illnesses. It provides the opportunity to interact with others as well as with professionals. This is facilitated through discussion forums on the app, which function to identify and evaluate potential illnesses, and also provide suitable coping strategies for the students. The next value proposition is that it securely and reliably connects customers with smart devices to track sleeping and fitness patterns. Keeping track of student progress, particularly sleep patterns, allows them to understand and mediate themselves on a deeper level. Finally, where needed, the app provides value by enabling quick access to professional services. So this is done through our partners, such as Beyond Blue. This convenient feature removes the hassle of having to go through all those steps to get bookings or phoning processes to secure an appointment with a professional. So we can do it through our app and get an appointment with a psychiatrist or relevant professional. Saves you time.
Hi, my name is Peter and I'm in charge of business operations. I'll be talking to you about key resources, activities, partners, and the technology we'll be using. Our app ultimately has a goal of providing quick help to students suffering mental illness, mainly through suggestions from professionals or other students to improve one's well-being. Moreover, through our partnerships with Fitbit, the app aims to provide sleep tracking via smart devices, sleep being one of the significant indicators of mental well-being of individuals. Marketing activities via social media and other mediums will be crucial during the stage of customer acquisition as the business expands. Furthermore, before launching the app, our staff will need to undergo a research and development phase to inform ourselves of the current state of the health and wellbeing app market, which will influence how our app functions and is designed. Our business will need to cooperate effectively internally and with key partners, for example app developers, to ensure efficient management and continual app improvement through constant updates. This effective communication extends to users to provide excellent customer service. The main key partners we have identified are Fitbit, as previously mentioned, mental health organisations such as Beyond Blue and Black Dog Institute, app developers and stores, MBM Mobile Security Solutions, and finally, the users themselves. These partners facilitate the successful operation of our business since our app connects students to each other as well as professional services to promote our general healthy wellbeing value proposition. Additional partners include potential investors and banking institutions, as the professional services that the app provides requires mobile payments. For example, a small fee may be required upon consultations with a professional psychiatrist. Our business also intends to partner with Oracle to implement our CRM system, enabling us to capture customer insights and analyze trends through the facilitation of a Web 2.0 interactive system, thus allowing for continual improvement and feedback. Finally, businesses who advertise their services or products relating to mental health on our app may also be classified as partners. While providing an alternate source of revenue, the provisions of these advertising spaces for other businesses further serves as a potential opportunity for us to expand and enhance the services and function of the app. Our business intends to combine state-of-the-art technology and key resources to complement our business activities and use of the app. The categories of these resources include physical, human, financial, and intellectual resources, which comprise mainly of the business idea and model, which we have registered with the ATO as our own property. One key resource is the technological platform facilitating the development and maintenance regarding the functionality of the app. This application platform includes both the software and Bluetooth and wireless hardware mechanisms for mobile app development. Algorithms and programming elements for demonstrations and filtering will also be necessary. We will be using HTML5 to maximize and optimize user experience, and our technical experts will have knowledge of the programs such as Java and Swift, two essential programming languages in developing an Android and iOS app. This is based on the fact that out of 90% of Australian teenagers who own a smartphone, over 94% own an Android or an iOS device. Another key resource is human labour, namely the skilled marketing and management teams, research and development teams, as well as app technicians. Trained programmers and technicians will be able to provide customer service regarding any technical difficulties, while other staff provide general guidance on the usage of the app. This ensures that real-time data, such as data collected through our partnership with Fitbit and Oracle, is used appropriately and that customer needs and expectations are continuously being met through the application updates. Additionally, users themselves are a key resource for the business, as their personal experiences and interactions with each other, as well as professionals, provide a platform for our business to grow. Finally, in terms of financial resources, in addition to the funding from UNSW, we hope to attract some form of investment from our mental health institution partners, such as Beyond Blue.
Hi, I'm Erica. Being the customer service and marketing manager of Connect, my role is to implement effective marketing strategies and to ensure users' needs are being satisfied. Through our marketing strategies, we are hoping to reach as many users as possible, especially for those who need mental health advice, and continuously meeting consumers' needs and address their problems. The app will be available from both Apple App and Google Play stores and will be ideally introduced during a week. Leaflet will be placed in clinics, library, lecture theatre, and the Learning Center of UNSW for further information and increased exposure. We will have occasional booths in front of the main and law library to raise awareness for the app. Social media platforms enable the business to convey the benefits and features of the app, and to trend motivational tagging phrases to invoke interest. For example, sharing their rank on social media platforms. The app may also be promoted by partnering up with recognized mental health institutions to increase the reliability and professional image, such as the Black Dog Institute and also Beyond Blue. Our business will resolve app issues such as how to use the app and functional errors via email and live chat. This will be enhanced by means of an effective and efficient CRM system if needed. Based on our developed message function in the app engineers will be able to answer any queries from users through the existing system. Contact details of the business will be listed on the app, and live chatting will be available to address any urgent issues so that consumers are always being satisfied.
I'm Roy, being the financial and risk manager for the project. I'm responsible for estimating any potential challenge and risk faced by the app, and also the cost that will be incurred for bringing the app to students. Because the project is funded and supported by UNSW resources, and the app could be downloaded for free, the cost of project should be minimized and will be structured in two stages, the development stage and the operating stages, in order to tackle any potential challenge and risk. The former stages consist of the building of infrastructure and merging the app to different smart devices, as one of the key activities is to analyze students' data. It is necessary to install a database for storing and analyzing students' information. As our app is centralized with sensitive information regarding to mental situation of students, it is our priority task to protect them from any data breach or identity thief affecting students. To do that, some costs will be allocated to our partner, MBM Mobile Security Solution, specializing in security data transmission between mobile devices and app developers database. With their help, virus hacking both students' mobile devices or database storing students' information or any other inappropriate behavior could be eliminated. The remaining part of development costs will be allocated to wages to professional staff and senior students programming the integration between the app and various smart devices such as Apple Watch, Fitbit product, or any Android OS product to maximize the coverage on different smart devices being used by students. Given that the locus of our app are students themselves, insufficient students participating in the crowdsourcing will be lead to the lack of data to support the analysis of the efficiency and effectiveness of recommendation on mental illness. That's why we are spending some funds during the early stage of operation on promotion to support the starting up and increase the app's notability in UNSW through various means, such as distributing introduction leaflet holding, promotion booth on campus, and inviting students who are online influencers to promote the app on their social network platform. Another challenge would be the competition of mental health apps, as the explosion of health apps has led to a huge number of them for mental health and well-being. Our app has the potential to play an important part in the future of mental health care. However, there's no single guide for the development of evidence-based mental health app. Many of them in the market don't have features that would greatly improve their functionality or include features that are not optimized. Furthermore, mental health app developers rarely conduct or publish experimental variation of their app. As such, once our business is stable, we intend to undergo a systematic review to guarantee the effectiveness of our app. This will enable us to evaluate its performance and effectively leverage our key resources and key features to create a competitive edge over the existing market. A final challenge in the future will be inevitable be the ability to maintain our customer relationship and customer base in the face of technology. Thus, we intend to keep up to date with the latest communication technologies and mental health research in an effort to avoid such an issue.